Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. As CCMT means Centralized Counseling for MTech or MArc or M Planning admission portal has been open. So if a student wants to take admission in NITs, triple ITs, then you can use this portal. So let's have a look. When you will go to the ccmt.admission.nsc.in, this portal will be open for 2024. Here you can see what is the CCMT 2024. You can see in the introduction, this is a common platform for candidates to apply for the MTech or M Architect or planning program based on their GET scores of the year 2022, 2023 and 2024 in NITs, IIEST, Shibpur and some triple ITs and CFTIs also. Okay, means all the centralized universities also they are taking here. So when you will go to this one, here we can see in the news and event, as the portal is launched, but the admission process or the application form, it's not started. Okay, so you can see when you will go to this one information brochure, okay, it's updated on the 10:57 of the 14th May, means yesterday only it's updated. So when you will click on this information brochure, you can see this will be open. So as I already downloaded here, let's have a look that what is the eligibility criteria, what is the process, we will discuss here. So when we will go to this one, we can see here, as I told you, this is the website. This will give you the official information. If you are having the low GET scorecard or you want to go for the NITs, you think that your score is eligible for the NITs or triple ITs, then you can have a look of this one. Okay, now here when I will go for the information brochure, so everything is mentioned here. You can see each and every detail is available here. Then what is the pattern, how to apply, what is the eligibility criteria. Now if I will start for this one, as already I told you about the CCMT. Now this is that they mention for the general category of candidate, abbreviation for the GET is GEN and for CCMT also GEN. So they mention the signs also that which you need to use while taking the admission. Okay, now if I will go for this one, types of fees. Okay, so they are having, actually there is one difference between the COAP portal and the CCMT. When you are trying with the COAP portal, when you want to register or when you want to log in with the COAP, so then in that one you need to go for individual IIT's website, means inside that one. But here there is no need to go for the individual NIT's website. You need to log in here, you need to pay fees here, and then they will link you with that one. So here when I'm looking to this one, registration fees will be non-refundable, as it is mentioned here. Non-refundable registration fees to be deposited for the participating in CCMT 2024 counseling process. That is the regular rounds 1, 2 and 3. They are having 3 rounds, 1, 2 and 3. And after that, if you want, you can go for the extra round. That is the special round also. But for that special round, you need to pay extra fees. So this fees, which is the 3,500 for general, EWS and OBC, you need to pay for the round 1, 2 and 3. That is the regular process. If you are from the SC, ST or PWD, then the fees is 3,000. So seat acceptance, suppose you are approaching this one and you want to accept the seat. So SAF, seat acceptance fees will be 30,000 for the general EWS and OBC and 10,000 for the SC, ST, PWD. So if you already selected in any one of the round and you want to freeze this one, so here they are having option for the seat acceptance fees. So fees to be deposited by a candidate when he or she accept the seat allotted to her or him. Okay, this will be a part of the institution fees. So later on, this 30,000 or this 10,000, they will just it's clearly mentioned this will be a part of the institute fees and will be adjusted against the finally allotted institute admission fees. It's not that they are taking 30,000 extra. So this will be, they will compensate, or this they will just adjust this in your college fees. Okay. Now, when you want to go for the partial admission fees, this is the seat acceptance. Partial admission fees, PAF. Partial admission fees is to be deposited by the candidate on the CCMT portal if he or she wants to confirm her or his seat. If you want to confirm the seat, this will be a part of the institute fees. Again, I told you the fees is 10,000 for general EWS and OBC and for 5,000 for SC, ST and PWD. If you want to apply, if you want to sit in the special round, 1, 2 and 3 round are the regular round, but if you want to sit in the special round, so then the fees is you need to pay one more 3,500 rupees for general, EWS and OBC, and for others SC, ST, PWD it is 3,000. So if the candidate wishes to participate in the special round of the CCMT, a fresh registration along with the payment of non-refundable registration fees, so then you can sit. The special round is having in the two parts, 1 and 2. Okay, SR participating fees is also mentioned here. So fees to be deposited during the registration of special round along with the SR registration fees, that is 40,000. So every process is mentioned in this brochure. National NSR fees is also there. NSR participating fees is also mentioned here. So you can just check each and every detail before filling here, because right now the portal is launched but the admission process is not started here. So you cannot start this. Okay, very soon it will start, but right now it's not started. So this is the website as I told you. Okay, now it's mentioned here they are having the regular rounds also. If I will talk about the eligibility requirements. So this is the candidate to be eligible for MTech or MArch or M Planning must have a valid GATE scorecard of 2022, 23 or 24 will be eligible this time. In qualifying degree, candidate should have passed and secured at least 6.5 CGPA, BE BTech with the 6.5 CGPA in your respective branch. Okay, and if you are having means 60% for general, EWS and OBC, and if you are from SC, ST, PWD then it is 55%. Okay, and the next is the only primary mode of evaluation is CGPA. Okay, after that, in case both CGPA and percentage are mentioned, then only CGPA would be considered. Okay, so now this is mentioned in case the result, if still your result is not declared, so then you need to submit it latest by the 30th September 2024, you need to submit it. Okay. If I'm coming to the next one, qualification degree, as I already told you, rules for the seat allotment, the merit list preparation, they will prepare the merit list also, and allotment is clearly mentioned for the candidates category and sequence of the seat category for the allocation. So for general, PWD, general EWS, general like this, they are having the categories. Conversion rule for the program groups, you can see reservation of seats is also there. Okay, counseling process for regular rounds is also mentioned. I want to show you payment of registration fees, choice filling and locking. So you need to fill the form, you need to go for the choice filling, and then you can lock your choices also. So every detail, each and every detail is mentioned here. You can check the details also. Now, if I will talk about 3 regular rounds of counseling they are having. Now this here I will discuss. So if I will talk about this one, the first is the seat allotment. First of all, they will give you the seat allotment will be there. So seat allotment letter will be sent to the candidates individually. Okay, no hard copy of the provisional seat letter. So the next is the payment of the seat acceptance fees that you can pay through the online mode. Online submission of willingness. Yeah, this is important. What is the process here? As in the COP portal, you are having the option to go for the retain, accept, reject or freeze. Here they are having option. First is the float. Float means if they wish to be considered in the next round. If you want to go for the next round, then you need to choose the option float, or for all their better preferred choices. Okay, across the institutes, whatever are available here. If you want to go for the slide, so if they wish to be considered in the next round for their better preferred. Okay, so this is float if they wish to be considered in the next round for all their better preferred choices. And here if they wish to consider in the next round for all their preferred choices only within the institute allotted to them. Means suppose you selected 5 institutes, okay, and among the 5 they allotted you 3. Now among those 3 you want to choose the best, then you can choose the option slide. If you want to go for the float, means from whatever the available choices you want to take another chance, then you can choose the button float. And freeze is if they are satisfied with the currently allotted seat and not interested in their better preferred choices in the subsequent rounds. So then you can go for the option freeze, means this will be fine. So this is clearly mentioned on allotment of a seat and payment of seat acceptance are required to exercise one of the following willingness. So you need to do this one. Then online document uploading is also there. You need to upload your documents. How to upload, it is mentioned here. So each and every detail is mentioned here. You can check the details, how to upload the documents, what are the documents required, as they mention also that before filling the form you should have all the documents whatever is necessary here. Okay, so you can just choose change of willingness. After that you can change also. It is mentioned float. From float to slide you can go. From float to freeze also you can go. From float to surrender and participate in the next round also you can go. From slide to freeze also you can go. So this is mentioned here how you can go. The process is also mentioned. Okay, surrender and participate in the next. Withdrawal from the allotted seat. If you don't want to take that one, you can withdraw. Second round counseling also you can enter. So they just open the portal just why just now, because you can just check the details here, how you can freeze, how you can surrender, how you can slide, how you can float. Every detail you need to read. If you are willing to take admission in the NITs or triple ITs or any other institution which are related to CCMT, then you can check each and every detail, dear students. As here more details you can see very soon. It's not, the process is not started, but very soon it will be started. So for more details you need to check the ccmt.admission.nic.in website only. And here the format about the certificate, they mention that the format of certificates has been uploaded under the certificate formats. The candidates are advised to follow and prepare the certificates in the prescribed format only. So in that PDF, in that information brochure, they mention what is the certificate format you need to submit. So you can just check the details also. Okay, and just stay connected to this website for the NITs and triple ITs admission. Till that, we will meet again surely. So till that, bye bye. Take care. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.